Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make taco shells. Now, I've been making taco shells for a while, and you know, there's a lot of gadgets out there that you can buy, but I've been making taco shells before those gadgets were ever invented. So I'm going to show you the way that I make them. There's a bunch of different ways you can make them, but anyway, I'll show you the way that I make them. So first you're going to need some oil. I usually use a vegetable oil, which, you know, try to find them without any trans fats. And you can go ahead and turn your gas on high and fill your pan up about 3/4 of an inch. You're going to need some tongs. There's different sizes of tortillas. This one here is a 6-inch. This is a white corn tortilla. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is a yellow corn tortilla. So you can see it's a little more yellow. And this one's about 8 inches. I like using the 8 inches one because, you know, I'll eat less of the corn tortilla, more of the fillings. So the trick about putting or making a taco is when you cook it, you know, it's going to come out like a V, but you want that pocket in the bottom so you can put your meat down in there. When you go to open it up, if it's not cooked just right, it'll break or it'll fall apart. So when you're cooking it, I'll show you a little technique where you can create that pocket. Once you do create that pocket though, you want to immediately put your meat in there as soon as possible, because once it starts to cool down, it starts to get more stiff. Okay, the next thing you're going to need as your oil is warming up there is get 2 or 3 paper towels and put it over your plate. That way, you know, obviously the oil will drain on there. So let's do a small one first. Okay, so what you're doing is you're pushing down and making that bottom pocket. And then you roll it back and forth. So the bottom trough you're making is being cooked first. And then you see how it rolls up like that? Now this flame is pretty high, it's, you know, it's on high, so what you want to do is just turn it down just a little bit, like a medium high as you're cooking. Otherwise they cook too fast and they'll burn. If you're making tacos, which obviously you probably are, your meat's ready already. So now what you do is you drain it, you open it up, see how easy it is to open, and then take your spoon, put your meat in there, and you're good to go. Let's do another one. Okay, let's try one of these big ones. I'm only going to do one. So, same technique. This one takes up the whole pan. Make that pocket, lay it down. See the pocket? And the same thing, just open it up, put your meat in. Just like that. Put your meat in, close it up, you're ready to go. And that's how you make taco shells. Now, if you want it more crunchier, this technique probably is not going to work that well. You know, if you want crunchy, obviously, when you open them up, they're probably going to break. But if you do it immediately, as soon as you take it out, do it immediately, and chances being it's not going to crack on you. I've done that before. So the trick of it is to open it right after you take it out of the oil, and then put your meat in.